this is how to tie a trucker's hitch. So first, you take a length of rope, make a loop like this. See? Then you go down, behind, fold up over. So you see how I do that? It was right here, went behind, and then over, and then behind this loop, and into it. This part's called a directional figure 8 knot. You then go through this hole, and then make 2 half hitches on the end. So that's like that. And you can tighten it. And now that will not move. So you make a directional figure 8 knot right here. And then you tighten it with 2 half hitches right here. Alright, see you next time.